Miss Carmina Constantino. Next, we have Asia's modern hero for integrity in journalism. He is a senior ABS-CBN news reporter who has covered key beats and contributed to Bandila's 2007 Emmy nomination. His clear and calm reporting has guided Filipinos through major events, showcasing what journalism with heart and honesty truly looks like. Congratulations to Mr. Willard Cheng.
Good evening. To be honest, I have never actually thought of myself as a hero, much more a hero of integrity. But I accept this award, humbled and grateful, on behalf of my fellow journalists, whether on cam or behind the cameras, especially those in the field, who strive and work hard every day to keep the integrity intact despite the challenges. They who have sacrificed so much of their time away from their families, their health, and many times even their lives, just to shine a light on things and issues that those in power would want to hide, and to dig deeper so that we may hold those in power to account. And so I share this award with you, my fellow journalists and colleagues, and may this award serve as a reminder for us to continue to be faithful to our mission. And so I thank Asia's Modern Hero Awards, its Executive Board and Awards Council, to Attorney Karen Jimeno for the faith and trust. I also thank my BNC, my Billionario News Channel family, for the support and for providing a platform for us journalists to continue fulfilling our mission. From our BNC bosses, kina Sir Ray, Hill, and Chair, to my fellow agenda anchors, Corina and Pinky and Monique, to my agenda EP executive producer, Eddie, and to the whole agenda team, our studio cameramen, the people manning the technical and control booth, and to all the cameramen and assistant cameramen that I have worked with all these years, and of course, to our BNC reporters and cameramen who are hardworking and outstanding and who have been relentless and fearless in their work and in their reporting and investigations since day one. And of course, to my important award, most important award, my family, my wife Tin and my children, my parents, thank you for the inspiration. And finally, to my big boss upstairs, thank you, Lord, so much, and to God be the glory. Muli, maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Congratulations.